Kushu, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. I am getting better from cold and fever. I hope I'll be back to my healthy routine soon. So for today's video, I have something really interesting. Usually when I go to D-mart, I generally go to grocery section or I go to the utensil section right above, somewhere else. So I just go there to shop. I have never ever had a thought of going to a clothing D-mart section and actually buying clothes from there. So I thought I should check them when I go this time for the grocery shopping or anything kind of aside. But I kept myself a really strict budget of at least 1,000. So I went to D-mart clothing section with having only 1,000 rupees in my pocket. And to my surprise, they had this amazing good collection. So let's see what I got. So I went to the D-mart, which is in Nizampet Hyderabad, and the clothing section is in the second floor of the D-mart. I found ethnic wear and western wear clothing in different sections, which are like opposite to each other. I first went to ethnic section and the clothes were filled in there. There was like no enough space for all the clothing, and the best part is that they had tags of prices of clothes you get there. So they're like tags of 199, 299, 399, 499. So it depends on how much you want to choose from. You go to that particular section and choose from. There were short kurtas, 2 long kurtas. I saw a few patiala pants, plazos and dhoti style pants, but I quite didn't like them. I mean the prints were, so I've picked only few kurtas to try and moved on to the western section. Here you see again another section of clothes flooded. I managed to pick really good pieces and I found little trouble picking up the right size, as not the same item is placed in one place with different sizes. So you gotta do some digging to find out the size, or sometimes you don't find your size at all. So I've tried few clothings there. Some of them fits really good. Some of them the fitting was really bad. Few fabric quality was so bad. So I ended up picking 4 outfits, which I'll be showing you in a while. But before that, I want to mention that I also went to the footwear section because I was left with around 240 or something. So I really wanted to see the footwear section as well, so that I can do the complete outfit challenge of ₹1,000. But then at D-mart I went had such a bad shoe collection. I didn't even want to try them. They were so bad. Actually saw a good footwear collection in the D-mart I usually go to, which is nearby my place. So you guys let me know if you want to see a footwear D-mart collection thing. So I'll definitely do that. So let's start with what all I got under 1,000 bucks. So everything I got is in this D-mart bag. You generally get this D-mart bag. Whatever you buy utensils or you buy fruits or any kind of groceries, you buy clothes, footwear, anything, you're just gonna get this bag. And I have few clothes here, so I'm gonna show you from first. So first item I picked is this one. This is really good. I mean, I didn't really expect D-mart to have such clothes. This is really good. And let me tell you how much is this for. This was just for $199. That's it. And I really love the quality of the fabric. It's really good. It's not bad at all. It's basically a crepe fabric and I really love it. The quality is so good. The print is super good and it has an elastic here, so you can wear it as a off shoulder or you can wear it as a normal neck. And I really love the detailing of sleeve. Like look at that, it has this kind of a little flare sleeve. Doesn't really have that much flare, but then I love this product, so it's a good one. So the second product I got is this one over here. This is in the size medium also, and medium kind of fits good in this product. And even the fabric is really nice in this case. It is so good. Again, it's crepe and it's kind of a stretchable thing. This crepe is a little low quality compared to this one. This is so good. It is super thick. I really love the detailing of the sleeve as well. It's kind of a folded sleeve. And it has this amazing 3D embroidery done. Like, look at that flower. And guess what? It's just for $199. That's it. And it's super cute. Like, look at that. So next piece of clothing I got is this one. It's kinda ulta. Let me just show you. So this is the piece which is kinda expensive compared to the other ones because they're like $199 each. And this is for $399. And let me tell you, I would definitely pay 600 bucks also for this one because it's really good. It's kind of a long shed dress. It's that long. And it has this good buttons and I can actually wear it as a shrug as well. and it has this 3/4 sleeve, and it has good cuff detailing as well. It has this gingham print which is super trending right now, and I loved it. I got the size small in this, but then it's kind of loose. Maybe the pattern itself is kind of loose, so yeah, it's a yay for me. This is my favorite out of everything. And the last piece I got is this spectacly top. So it's kind of a very basic, to be honest, and the fit is really good. Look at this top. It has this really nice quality fabric as well, and this is just for 59 rupees. I'm no kidding. That's it. And I also want to mention that I tried a denim from the store, because as I was not wearing a denim, I was wearing this dress. So I had to try a denim so that I can see if the tops are really good or not on denim, but it goes with the denim or not. So I just had to try that, and I should say those were the worst pair of denims I wore in my entire life. They were just for $2.99, but the fit was so bad that a 28 size, I generally fit into 28 or 30, depends on the stretchability and the brand. And this one over here, it says 28 and it doesn't even go above my thighs. The second 30 doesn't even fit around my waist, and 32 is super loose. Come on, where do I even fit into? That was so ridiculous, and I hated the fit. So I got all this stuff for 856 rupees, and we are still left with 144 rupees. That was actually a great thing to trying out the D-mart clothing and stuff. I really got to know new things trying this challenge out. So I hope you like it too. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and all that good stuff. I'll see you guys with another fun content next Monday. Until then, lots of love. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.